Fifth standard students, let us start from page number 174. Tulsi and her husband work on Karunya's garden. Karunya's pays rupees 225 to Tulsi and 258 to her husband per day. For one day, Karunya pays to Tulsi. That means for one day, Tulsi is earning 225 rupees and her husband is earning 258 rupees. If Tulsi works for 49 days, for one day, her earning is rupees 225. So for 49 days, she will earn 225 into 49. Whatever answer you are getting, you will write here. Okay. If her husband works for 42 days, that means for one day, her husband's earn 258. Okay, for 42 days, 42 into 258. Then compare both the earning and you have to find who is earning more and find the money they earn together. That means 49 into 225, whatever answer you are getting, and here 258 and multiply by 42, whatever answer is getting, you have to add here and write here. Okay. Now next, who will earn more from Tulsi and her husband? So compare the quantity and you will reply. If Tulsi works for more 5 days, that means 49 days she is working. If in future more 5 days she will work, then 49 plus 5 will be, yes, 54. And her husband worked for less 4 days. 42 days her husband is working, but in future 4 days less, that means minus 4. So 42 minus 4 will be, I think, 38. Yes. So whatever they then how many rupees will they earn? That means 49 plus 5 more days, 54 into 225 and 258 into 38. Then add here and you will do. I will solve each and everything on the green board, but first you will solve, then I will help you. Okay. Now see here, I saw this in the newspaper. Different contractors have declared different rates for a day's work. Contractor A, name of the contractor. He gives for one day rupees 285. Contractor B gives rupees 267. Contractor C gives 237. Contractor D gives 279. Okay. The table shows the amounts fixed by 4 contractors. We can see here which contractor has paid the highest daily wage. You can see here 285 So contractor A has paid the highest daily wage. Which contractor has paid the lowest? Contractor C. Tulsi worked for 8 weeks. In 1 week, 7 days. 8 weeks, 7 into 8, 56 days. Okay. At the contractor B, how much will she earn? So in 1 week, 7 days. So in 8 weeks, 7 is the 56. And for one day, contractor B is giving rupees 267. So 267 into 56 here. You will send the answer. Tulsi's husband works for 2.5 months at the contractor A. How much will he earn? In 1 month, regular days, we assume 30. So in 2 months, 60. And half months, 15. So 60 plus 15, 75 days. Tulsi's husband works. And contractor A is giving 285 rupees. So 75 into 285, whatever answer you are getting, Tulsi's husband will earn. How much more will a worker at contractor D get than a worker at contractor C after working for 9 weeks? So in 1 week, 7 days. So in 9 weeks, 7 9s are 63. Now contractor C rupees you will multiply, and contractor D whatever wages he is giving you will multiply in 63 and compare. Okay, so today we will do till here. Solution I will send you. Whatever solution is there, I will give you hint on the green board, and you have to complete your notebook. Bye bye.